In this next example, we want to use the sum or difference formula to find the exact value of a trigonometric expression. The expression that we're working with is the cosine of 7 pi over 12. Now what we want to do is rewrite 7 pi over 12 that it's the sum or difference of two angles whose exact values we can figure out. That is, whose exact trigonometric values we can figure out. So 7 pi over 12 can be written as 4 pi over 12 plus 3 pi over 12. 4 pi over 12 is pi over 3, and 3 pi over 12 is pi over 4. We know the exact values of all the trigonometric functions for these angles. So what I'm going to do is write the cosine of 7 pi over 12 as the cosine of pi over 3 plus pi over 4. So now I have the cosine of the sum of two angles, and therefore what I'm going to do is use the formula for the cosine of the sum of two angles. This is going to be equal to the cosine of the first angle, pi over 3, times the cosine of the second angle, pi over 4, minus the sine of the first angle, pi over 3, times the sine of the second angle, pi over 4. Now the cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. The cosine of pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2, minus the sine of pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2, times the sine of pi over 4, which is square root of 2 over 2. 1/2 times the square root of 2 over 2 is square root of 2 over 4, minus square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6, over 2 times 2 is 4, and if we want to write this over a common denominator, we would get that the cosine of 7 pi over 12 is equal to the square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 all over 4.